Hi guys, this is Shashank and welcome back to MS Word Quick Tips and Tricks presented by Academy. And today in this video we are gonna talk about that how to draw a table in MS Word and customize it as per your requirements. So let's start today's video. As we all know that we can draw a table with three methods. The first one is go to Insert tab and go to Table option, and the very first option is you can select a table with the grids available on your screen. You can see that the grids are available. You can just drag the mouse and the table will be automatically generated on the sheet. In this way you can draw a table. And another way is just go to the Insert tab option again, go to Table option and Insert Table. In this option you will get a chance to enter the number of columns and rows as per your requirements. Like you can see that I can enter number of columns 4 and number of rows are 6. Press enter and you will see another table has been generated. In both the ways, the table will be expanded equally as per the width of your sheet with equally sized rows and columns. But don't worry, you can customize your rows and columns by going to the Layout tab, and you can just adjust the height and width by these two options available. Just increase or decrease the width of your column, or you can increase the height of your rows by changing the values. So these two ways are inbuilt, which you can draw the table or insert table, but the third one is very convenient and easy to use, and you can customize your table as per your requirement, which is just go to the Insert tab, go to Table and select Draw Table. By selecting a Draw Table option, your cursor will be converted into a pencil option and you just have to draw a rectangle as per your requirement, and you will see you can also draw rows and columns. You can draw any type of column with any type of width. You can even draw diagonally, and the column and rows can be adjusted as per your requirement. Just go back to Draw Table option. Now you will see an option to adjust the width and the height of your rows and columns. So these are the three ways which you can use to draw or insert a table in your MS Word sheets. So thank you guys for watching this video and stay tuned for my upcoming videos in the MS Word Quick Tips and Tricks series. See you soon and thank you very much.